Here we're going to take a brief look at the Jstl, the Java JSP standard tag library. So here's a bunch of includes. The Jstl has a set of commonly used prefixes. So we've got C, that's the core one, a lot of conditional and some very handy functions in there. There's formatting for dates and times and numbers and so on. There's the function set that basically has some string manipulation things. There's also SQL and XML. I wouldn't recommend using SQL from your JSPs, but there it is. And XML we're not going to get into. So let's look at some of the common or the popular ones from core. So cout is available to us, and in our demo video we'll go over when you might use this, because you can just put a EL expression on your JSP page. Why would you need cout? Well, it turns out that this can sanitize some XML for us if we wanted to print out the actual XML. It can also pull in variables and other things for us that we might have set with cset. We have a bunch of our conditional logic built into the core library. So if, else if, there's a choose, and so on. There's looping built in. Skipping down to the for each, there's looping built in. And curl is a very powerful one. This will actually enable us to, this will help us leverage Tomcat's ability to rewrite links, so that if someone doesn't support cookies, we can say, well, we want to link them to this path. Why don't you, Tomcat, generate that link? So this is a handy tag to say, generate that link and do the right thing, such that if their browser doesn't support cookies, I want you to append the JSession ID to the URL. So if you generate all your URLs with the curl tag, you can survive, or you can fall back from someone not supporting cookies and still provide them with a session. So some popular, some formatting library, some tags are formatting a number, formatting a date, putting out a message in an internationalized way, and then some functions. Here's just a bunch of string functions. Does this string contain this? Get the substring of this, uppercase this, lowercase this, and trim off spaces from this string. And there are more SQL and XML, and obviously you can write your own, which we'll play around with. But that's it for the Jstl slides. We'll do a demo showing the EL and Jstl playing well together.